Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing or hiding the date and time in the system tray on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left sidebar. From there, select Date and Time. In Date and Time settings, you will see the option to show time and date in the system tray. You can enable or disable the toggle to turn it on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.